Hello, welcome to this video. I want to tell you how to start making money online, especially when you have a product but you're not selling. I'm going to tell you how to do that. All you need to do is to pay rapt attention and listen till the end. If you have a product, maybe you have a book. You have that book and the name of that book is called something like, maybe let's even say you have an ebook you want to sell online. And the name of that book is called 7 Ways to Make Money Online. Now, you're teaching 7 ways to make money online, but you're having it so difficult for you to make money online. It's not a problem. It's not even bad to teach something you don't know. But let me tell you what you need to do right now that can change the financial inflow of your business. The first thing you need to do is you need to, number one, understand that the people that are going to buy these things are not robots. It is people. And for people to take action for something, they need to be a pain point. They need to be a pain point. So if there is no pain point, nobody is going to move an inch. And after you finish finding the pain points, the next thing you need to do is to understand your audience, the target audience. The target audience, that is target audience for this product. Now, before you wrote this book, you should already know who is your target audience. Am I right? Now, since this is already confirmed, maybe your target audience is 7 ways to make money online. Your target audience is people from 20 years to like 35 years, and they're looking on how to make money online. You need to understand this, your targets. What do they really want? Now, what do they really want is not important when you understand their pain points. Number one, this age is the age where many young ladies and guys are so confused. They want to really make money because the Nigerian economy is very difficult, it's very hard. Inflation is setting in. The price of goods is increasing. Everybody wants to buy the latest iPhone, and you already know the pain points. Without making money online, you cannot do these things. So you need to now, the next thing you need to do is to craft a marketing message that exaggerates your pain points. And you need to do that by writing a copy. And this brings me to why copywriting is important for you to learn this year. You see, no matter what you're selling online, if you don't know how to craft the compelling marketing message, nobody will buy what you're selling. The truth is that you cannot give somebody that has a lot of water, a water factory, water to drink. Do you understand? But with copywriting, do you know that you can sell someone that has a lot of factory, that has a big factory? You can sell that person a bottle of water. With copywriting, it's all about the messaging. Now, that person that has a big factory of water is not buying water to satisfy his taste. You need to find out what that person is interested in. Now, if you're selling water to somebody that has a big factory, you don't come like, don't be thirsty. No, you can bring up marketing messages like buying one bottle of water can feed a child in where? Can feed a child in Morocco swamp. Hello. Now, where is Morocco swamp? Morocco swamp is one of the most swampy area in Lagos State where most unprivileged people stay. And one thing about people of those classes is that they like helping people. They like to bless people. When you're blessed, they always want to like help people. You can't use scarcity to sell to the rich. You sell them what? You sell them a result. You sell them a feeling. You sell them emotions. And that is why it's important to learn copywriting. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Uzoma Aranibo. You can also call me Boss Uzi. And I'm a copywriting coach, and I help people who are interested in learning how to craft compelling marketing messages for themselves, for their business and brands, so that they can make money, skyrocket their income, and otherwise. If you're interested in learning copywriting, all you need to do right now is to just click the link below so that you can know what I do. I offer a 21 days intensive training plus a 3-month mentorship program. So if you're interested in learning from me, how I teach copywriting, how I do my thing, then all you need to do right now is to click the link below and see what I have for you. The price is very affordable, and if you're interested in growth, it's not going to be a problem even if the price is 1 million. But trust me, it's going to be something that you can afford right now. One thing you need to know is that the price is not going to be this exact price in the next 24 hours. So take action right now. With that being said, see you on the next video.